Hi everybody, and welcome to the video version of Dino's Tech Picks. I thought I'd give the video thing here a whirl, and what a great night to try this. There's a lot to talk about here on the minis. But before we get into what's currently going on, let's review quickly what happened last week. On the 30-minute time frame here, we can see we had this little bull flag and pennant, and we had that breakout that we were watching, made a new short-term high, but then we drifted down and back tested way past the apex here, which I thought was questionable. Then we kind of drifted up a little bit and came back down, and what that ended up doing is forming the right shoulder of this little head and shoulders pattern. We broke the trend line, came back down to this, or broke the neckline rather, at 1391. Came down to this 1386, 1387 area, which I've been watching a lot of late, and traded the majority of the time below that that line, which is a lot of times viewed as distribution more than consolidation. And then when the jobs numbers came out Friday morning, we basically dropped and hit the target at 1371.25 and actually overshot that a little bit. And then what we ended up doing is forming a little bear flag here that was above this bottom red line, which was an important line as well that we've been watching, and that is the neckline of that large head and shoulders pattern. Right at the close, we came down, we tapped that line and bounced up just a tad. I'm panning a little bit here. But then when futures opened tonight, we dropped, and this right here was a small bear flag, had a target of about 1342. We dropped quickly at the open here tonight and hit 1342.5, and now it looks like we got another little bear flag forming here as well. So bulls better get going and get back up above this line here, or else we have a wicked pattern that's going to play out, wicked bearish pattern. Here's the left shoulder, head, right shoulder of that big head and shoulders pattern. This is that bottom red trend line that we were just talking about that's acting as the neckline. We are now trading below that. That is not bullish. This thing here has a target of 1276.75. So that's a pretty big drop, especially from this 1419 high that we made not too long ago. So this is fitting for the sell in May. We'll see what happens, but I would not be surprised if we got some sort of a bounce here at some point. We are way out of the range of the Bollinger Bands. We're basically breaking them in half, and we're extremely oversold on the RSI on just about every time frame. Going up to probably daily or weekly, we're definitely not oversold there, but we're in a very critical area here for bulls. Bears are licking their chops, and we'll keep an eye on this. I'll check in again Monday morning and post a chart here on the blog of what action we seen overnight, and we'll see if we can get a better picture of what's in store for us here this week in the markets. Thanks.